Guys, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh. So, as you guys know, we are starting the vending machine business, the full line machines. Alright, before this video starts, I just want to let everyone know there's a couple random clips throughout the video. It's been taken over a couple weeks, these videos, but everything will catch you guys up on what I've been up to lately and the big deal that I keep talking about in the other videos. So everything gets broken down in this video. Make sure you watch to the end, and yeah, sit back, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the journey. Alright guys, this is insane. I cleaned out my whole closet. Me and Alyssa have gone to Sam's Club a lot of times. What did you think?
It's too much.
There's literally so much stuff in my warehouse. Come take a look inside of my massive warehouse. Literally what? It is literally packed top to bottom, straight up snacks. As you can see, we started a vending machine business, hence all the snacks, including this one.
Oh my god.
All those snacks, and yeah, there is a lot of machines on the route. So right now we're about to head to the bank, deposit some of the money right here. All loaded up. Dang. It's like a Jenga puzzle loading all these up. There's some architecture in there. Moving them to the storage unit. It literally never fails. It always looks like it's gonna rain when we're moving machines. It literally never fails. Alright, so we got everything. We're just moving in the candy machines right now, but these two are our storage units. They're supposed to take down the wall in the middle. This is the first time I've ever had a storage unit, so see how big it is. So it should be a 10 by 20, so hopefully. Oh wait. How's it open? Oh.
And then they cut down the wall here.
Yeah,
so.
there's a wall right here. Huh.
Pretty nice.
Man, this is 10 by 20. I don't know. I was expecting it to be bigger.
Really? It's pretty big.
Yeah. I could live here now. We're moving in, Alyssa. We're moving in. So, as you guys know, we are starting the vending machine business, the full line machines. So, bunch of banger content coming. We've already been to a couple, been filling them up, been collecting from them. There's about 40 snack machines in the route. They're mostly in teachers' lounges. And then there is one or two snack machines in the, one or two soda machines in the route. And of course our candy machines and a bank location. But it's crazy. I can't believe it. And there's also like 20 extra machines. That's why we had to get this. So we got to go out and do our own locating. So yeah, subscribe and follow the journey. There's lots of stuff coming. Huge collection videos coming soon. Back in?
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
No, back in. It'll be so much better.
No, it's okay.
Parker, please.
I can't back that in.
Yes, you can.
It's so tight right here to turn.
Well, at least put it like here.
machines as always now. That's what I'm doing pretty much 24/7. And I just filled up a machine, and when I was in the school filling up the machine, I got an email from a machine that I filled up about a week ago, and they said it's not accepting coins or bills. So this is my first service call. Today is October 1st. So hopefully October is gonna go as smooth as September did. But October 1st and my first service call. So we'll see what it is. Still got a couple more schools I need to fill up today. Like 2 or 3 more. And then I can check out the one that has a problem. Alright, so I made my rounds today. I filled up 3 schools, and I went to a 4th one to service it because for some reason it wasn't accepting dollars or coins. I just went in, and there's a light, like the bill acceptor was off for some reason. So I had to just play with this little switch and it flipped back on, so should be good. I'm not sure why it turned off though. That's kind of concerning. I need to look more into that, but yeah, it was working when I left, and hopefully it does pretty good. It was there I filled it up about a week ago, and there was about $30 in it, $30 in it. I didn't collect from it. I just took the money out and put it in the coin box because I'll be here next week to service this route. The veggie chips sold out, so I don't have any veggie chips on me, but I did fill it with jalapeno chips because that's all I had. Like, supplies are scarce today. I didn't go to Sam's. I was just kind of trying to get everything out to make sure I knew what I needed to get. Everything's been super crazy. And over these past 2 weeks, I've filled up 35 to 40 machines, most of them being schools. Actually, all of them being teachers' lounges. So yeah, the guy I bought it from, he told me whatever money was in the machines when I bought his route I could keep. So from the 3 machines that I went to, I pulled, I'm not sure exactly how much, but I don't know, probably $40 to $50 maybe. And then some coins. I didn't take all the coins out though. A lot of them I left in the coin box, and I put back in the coin mech because it needed some quarters and stuff. All in all, with the quarters and everything, from what was left, I probably collected about $50 to $60 today. Just free money, that was already in the machines, and he wasn't servicing them like he should have been. He had another business that he's running, so of course that takes more time away, and he wasn't able to fill the machines. So all the places I went to were like, they looked at me like I was like a legend, finally filling the machines. Everyone was super happy. It's been like that at every location I've been at, and yeah, hopefully it's smooth sailing. Thank you guys for following the journey, and I'm excited to show you guys all the money that I've been collecting from my other machines. There's stacks and stacks of money, money that I've never seen before being in the bulk machine business, but I'm happy to finally have some ones. I'll show you guys that later. Alright, so I told you guys I would show you the money that I collected. This is from about 10 machines. Some of them were 1 week's collections, and the other ones were just money that was already in the machine that the guy left in there. So yeah, here it is. Got 2 bags, pretty full of ones, and then we got some quarters and stuff, but this is the fun stuff right here, is the ones. So there's 1 stack. Here's the other stack. And yeah, so that looks pretty good. I'll run it through the money counter again to see how much exactly it is, but let me know how much you guys think it is right here. 2 pretty thick stacks of ones, about the same size. Catch a thumbnail real quick. Alright, so I just counted up all the money, and in dollar bills we have $859. Now I'm going to count up the coins. And in coins we have, let's see, 1, 2, 250, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 301. So in quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies, we have $303.50. And that brings us to a total, so plus 303, $1,162. Not too bad. And that was from about, I'd say 10 to 12, 10 to 15 locations. Some of them already just being empty. Some of them just had money left over in them from the previous owner, and some of them I filled up. And then we also deposited about $800 the other day from the other vending machines. So that plus 800, so almost $2,000 so far. Alright, so that's it for the video. I know kind of a random ending, but like I said, it was random clips. So that was it, and yeah, everything's been super crazy like I keep saying, but we're getting it dialed in. I've filled up all the schools at this point. Today is October 5th. I'll break down more on the numbers and everything in another video. If you guys are curious about that, you can feel free to comment and I'll answer you guys for sure. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Go check out my Instagram, social medias. Follow me on all that. Actually, if you're following me on social medias, you probably already know about the deal going on. So you might get some inside information on the social medias, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. So thank you guys as always for watching. You guys are awesome, and I'm excited to see where this journey continues to lead. Thanks. And everyone else out there, if you guys are thinking about doing something, let this be the sign that you just go out and do it. Make the decision, pull the trigger, and get after it.